Today we're going to talk about how we can use the community folder to find a lesson that we want to use with our classroom, but also how we can make a copy of that file and add it into our private folder so that we have easy use and access to it when we are ready to use it with our kiddos. First, you're going to want to go down to the file, and when we go to the tab that says Open, we're going to use the left-hand toolbar to choose Community. The community folders are a place where teachers can share their presentations and their lessons for the other Prowise users to use throughout the country. So if you're a teacher who's in California, you have access to a lesson you'd want to use, but maybe by a teacher who lives in Florida. So we really encourage all of our users to share their resources, share their lesson plans, and help teachers from around the country who are new to Prowise or who just don't want to recreate the wheel. We've all been there and sometimes don't have time to create a really great lesson. So why not help a friend out and share your awesome plans? For this, I'm going to just choose General. And I love this anti-bullying activity. It's a great one to use, especially at the beginning of the year or in the middle of the year if your students are having some issues showing kindness. So when you find a lesson that you really like, what you're going to do is go down here to our interactive eye. And when you choose the eye, you're going to have a few options here on the bottom. You are not going to move it out of the community folder, but instead choose the copy. And when you choose to copy it, you now have the privilege to go back into your private folders and you would hit place here. Now, if I were to exit out, go back to my file and open up my private files and I go down, you now see that the anti-bullying activity is in my private file. Thanks so much. Hope this helps.